Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to build any tools again. That's because I have to repair and paint this wall, and then I move this machine a little bit from the wall. That's because in the future I'm going to repair and restore this machine. That's why I need some space in between the wall and the machine. uh, I'm getting to work, and you guys take a moment and enjoy watching this show. Thank you.
I put a small core jack in between here. Now I jack this up and this slowly pushes away.
Now I have removed the light a little bit from the wall. Now I have a little space to work here. And the second thing I have to do, I have to go to the roof and remove some electrical cables going on the roof. That's very difficult to film. I have to do it off camera. So let me show you. This paint is a mess. I don't know. You know what, guys? The plan was to move the bridgeboard from here over there to corner. Now I'm painting the walls and I made a mess. I don't know. Take a look. Guys, I have one more wall here and I have to do it later. Table is going inside up on the corner and all the way down to that corner, and I have to remove this. On the other day I couldn't remove this one, I removed the other one. Yes guys, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.